nandito kami ngayon sa Rockwell para lang mag-ikot and to buy some stuff. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-church and right now nasa BGC kami. Wala lang para mag-ikot-ikot. Kain na din kami ng family lunch and tatry ko na din mag-cafe hopping dito. Since gusto ko talaga mapuntahan yung Angkan at yung Arabica. Yung Angkan, napuntahan ko na naman siya sa podium. Pero gusto ko din i-visit yun dito kasi alam ko mas malaki. And yung sa Arabica, dati ko pa talaga siya gusto puntahan dito. Pero nag-close siya. And ngayon nag-open lang ulit. So gusto ko na talaga siya puntahan. So ayun guys. Haba ng pila pero worth it naman. And binalang ko na din si Dad. Same lang na sa akin Spanish latte. Hey everyone! So we're now here at Uptown Mall para dito na lang kami kakain ng early dinner na kasi 5 na din. So ayun, maghahanap pa kami kung saan kami kakain. Kain lang namin sa Uptown for our early dinner. And since may time pa naman, we're gonna go sa Angkan. So, eto siya. Pero mas gusto ko yung isang branch. So, yun yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. for my bare face. But, ayun, nandito na tayo sa ating room. I mean, akit na ako punta sa room namin. And oh my gosh, I so love this interior. Like, so Taylor Swift coded. Yeah. And, dito na yung room namin. Sa taas siya. And left dulo. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna share with you what I did with my tulips. So I just thought of this and I think it's so cute. So I used my Dior paper bag as my base. And then, nilagay ko lahat ng tulips ko doon. Kasi, wala lang, I think it's like so cute. So guys, here's the cake na pinagawa namin. Because, gusto ko customize talaga. Because, gusto ko yung pink bow theme with tulips, white tulips. So, parang yun yung theme ko for my Sweet 16. And I love the packaging, guys. That's my freebie pa silang happy birthday. And like, pati yung ribbon talaga is pink, which I love. And like, it complements well with the tulips. And guys, we have this like Sweet 16 na parang cake topper. And ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Tapos ka-theme pa niya kasi it's silver. So, ayun. Nandun talaga siya sa theme ng gusto kong mangyari for my Sweet 16. So, guys, let's open na. And, oh, I'm so excited. Like, nakita ko lang naman siya from the outside. Pero, gusto ko na makita. So, let's open it. Ah, eto na guys. So, by the way, this is a fondant cake. Na white lang naman yung base. Tapos sa top, meron siyang pink bow. Like, malaki siyang pink bow. Oh my gosh, yay! Ayan siya guys. So, ayan na siya, guys. And mamaya tatanggalin natin sa box. Pero here's the details. So, white lang siya with like, yung simple design lang with like, silver beads. Pero, I'm sure it's edible naman. And, ayan, parang crisscross design lang. And for the bow, ayan, malaking fondant bow talaga siya. Na color pink. And, sa harap, meron siyang Phoebe, which is my name. And yan, maganda yan, guys, pag sinama na yung Sweet 16 na cake topper. Oh my gosh, guys. So, ito na siya. Like, ito na yung final setup ko for my Sweet 16. And, kulang na lang is my cake topper, which is the Sweet 16. So, ayan siya, guys. Tignan niyo muna yung details. And now, let's put it sa taas. Ayan. I love it. So guys, this is one of my gifts from mom. So, bow siya. So, which is ka-theme talaga ng birthday ko. And it's so cute. Earrings siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, I'm gonna wear it today. Ayan. Okay, guys. So, here's my look for today. So, ayan. Nag-ayos lang ako for, you know, remembrance lang. Like, gusto ko lang i-celebrate yung milestone ko of 16 years. So, ayun lang. I did my makeup. Ayan, ito. Mas closer look. And hair kulot lang. Yes. So, papakita ko na lang later yung dress ko.
intro for this vlog. Kasi pagpunta ko dito, pagpasok ko, na-mesmerize ako kasi ang ganda talaga. So guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Farm and Orchard sa South. And I think this is very underrated. Like for me, this is so very underrated kasi ang ganda niya talaga. So this place is called Safria. And ang ganda niya talaga guys. Yung simula pa lang sa entrance up until sa room. Perfect. So guys, it's December 19, 2023. And in a few hours, I'm gonna turn 16. So it's gonna be my sweet 16. Kaya ayun, nandito ako guys to, wala lang, to celebrate my 16 years of life. And ayun lang. So ayun guys, tonight, sasalubungin lang natin yung birthday ko. And I'm so excited. Like, dati iniisip ko lang, paano pag 16 na ako? And ngayon, magiging 16 na ako. So, bukas siguro, like, kakain na kami, mag-iikot, and, ayun. So, simple day lang tomorrow para sa aking birthday. Okay, but that's not the best part, guys. Like, hindi lang yung mismong place yung maganda, pati yung cost niya. Kasi, from what I know, yung every time na check-in ka dito or like book, may mapupuntang percent doon for the scholars. And I think it's such a great idea, lalo na ngayong Pasko. So, I think we're hitting two birds with one stone. So, ayun, maganda yung place for me to celebrate, but also I'm helping others.